Hey y'all, happy Saturday. It is currently like a little bit after 12 o'clock and I just left out of Burlington. I needed to get a gift. My cousin's son's first birthday is today, so we're going to that. It's actually from, I think it starts from 12:30, and then the actual party, like that's because it's a swimming party, it's from 12:30 to 3. So my plan was to show up at like 1. So it's 12:10 right now, and I just picked up everything I needed for the gift. I went to Walmart. They did not have what I needed. So basically, I asked him like what kind of characters he was in, what kind of stuff and toys he likes right now, and what kind of toys and gifts and stuff he likes right now. So he likes anything Foxes, Elmo, Sesame Street. So I found some really good stuff. So the first thing I found, and I went to Burlington, of course, to actually find this, is this folded bath wrap. And it comes like with this little hood of a fox. So I thought that was perfect because he likes foxes. So I picked that up. And I got this cute little bag right here. So I'm just going to be putting everything in there as I show y'all. I also picked him up this 12-month outfit. He's turning 1. 12 months, that's 1. So he should be able to fit it as like an athletic little outfit or whatever. And it just has these little Nike shorts. Hopefully he can fit them. I don't know. But yeah, I got that. I also got him, which is kind of like his main little shebangy bang. I found this Elmo Sesame Street pillow. I thought this was like perfect for him. And I thought he would really like it. So I got that. And then lastly, I found him this little Crayola marker bubble bath stuff that he can have for bubble bath time. So that's going to be his little gift. So I just got to get a card. And that's it. We're good to go with that. And then, of course, I picked up some extra stuff that I didn't need. I got these little 3-pack of anklets. I love anklets, y'all know that. I also picked up these meal prep containers, and they're in pink, and I got 7 of them for $3.99, which I thought was a real good deal, so couldn't leave those. I also got a new sleep shirt. Y'all know I'm trying to up my pajama game, so I found this cute like pajama nightgown kind of deal, and it's just leopard like that. And last 2 things, I also picked up this neck pillow. I needed one of these. I'm planning on going on some vacations here coming up shortly, and I need a neck pillow. I don't have one. I don't know why, but that one was $5.99, and y'all know I love leopard, cheetah, all of that, so I couldn't leave that. I also picked up these cute little jelly sandals for my goddaughter, y'all. She was born. She's officially on this earth. So yeah, I couldn't help myself. I had to pick these up. These were $6.99, and I felt like those were little sandals from back in the day. So I picked those up. And that's it, y'all. That's what we got from Burlington. I just picked up a couple little things for myself, and I got the gift, so we're good to go. Oh, and I got this little glittery watch band too. So I'm actually gonna put that on right now. But that's it, y'all. I just wanted to show you guys what we got from Burlington. I'll vlog at the birthday party. I think I'm gonna pick up a coffee before we go. But yeah, I'm gonna head on out there. But yeah, they're not gonna start like opening gifts, cake and ice cream, which is mainly the part that I really want to go for, until 1:30, so I got time. So yeah, y'all, that's that. I was gonna go home, but I really don't need to put no makeup or anything on. We're going to see Scream 6 later on, like late tonight, so I heard it's really good. So we're gonna go and see. Have you guys seen it? And what else is out right now? Creed. I know a lot of people are saying Creed was good but predictable. So this is what my little watch band looks like. I just wanted something that was still cute and girly, but not with all the dangles, because like I noticed like with COVID and stuff, y'all, those dangles and me wash my hands so much, I just had to really be careful and to make sure, like, you know, I wasn't, you know, though, that my little things that were dangling was not touching stuff, and it was. So yeah, that's that. We're finna find us a coffee. I want to try this new drink from Dunkin', so maybe we'll do that. I don't know. I am hungry. I don't know what kind of food they're gonna have, but I'm hungry. so we might get something. We'll see. All right, y'all, so that's that. Just wanted to get on here and vlog a little bit and show y'all what we got. So again, I'll see you guys probably at the birthday party. Gotta roll OT, gotta get my release. Spread your legs downtown, so I'm going out to... Hey guys, so it is later on, and it's like 6:30 actually. The party, I left about 3 o'clock. After the actual party, there was like, the community center was really nice. They had a water park, they had an indoor like playground area, they had like hooping, they had really all kind of stuff there. But the party was nice, it was real fun, he enjoyed himself. And yeah, I did too. We had a good time. So now I just ordered some sushi, so I'm trying to kill a little bit of time before I pick it up. But yeah, we're gonna go pick up our sushi. I'm on sushi real bad right now, and I really only like one kind of sushi, which is shrimp tempura. But yeah, y'all, this wig is now dry. It's giving. This is my same wig that I got. This wig was sent to me by a company. I will leave the link a while ago. I've had this wig for a really long time, and I tried to straighten it and blow dry it, but this like deep wave wigs and stuff like that, you need a really good flat iron, and I have a pretty cheap regular Revlon flat iron. I really want a Baby Bliss, which I probably will eventually like invest in one, because I just think it's worth it. And yeah, but yeah, it was hard to like really get this deep curl pattern. Like, it just wasn't bone straight like I wanted it, so I reverted it back this morning. Literally just put some wetted and put in some of my Miel, the mint one, that green one. I put that in with a little bit of Eco Styler, and the curls, as you guys can see, are flourishing. It looks really good. But this is actually a whole lace furniture. I just flipped the lace back and put a headband on. I got this tag from Chelsea. I know I love me some Chelsea Janae. But yeah, this is what this looks like, y'all. It's pretty cute. But anyways, I got my Ipsy real quick, so I'm trying to kill a little bit of time before I go down and get my the sushi place is literally down the street, so I'm just killing a little bit of time. So I figured I'll show you guys what we got for our Ipsy for the month of March. I didn't peek, I don't think, this month, so I don't even know. So this is what the bag looks like. It's like white. Is this white? Silver? It's like white, I guess. White is silver. Not really a fan of the bag. It's kind of ugly. But all right, the first thing I got is this caffeine. This is the Boutique Beauty. This is their caffeine eye cream, the depuffing and brightening eye cream. I'm getting more into skincare, so I love trying new skincare. The next thing, oh, is a powder. This is the St. Lux setting powder in honey. So it's one of those like vanilla setting powders. This is actually a really decent size as well. So I love little setting powders, so we're gonna try that. I also got the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, y'all. I love the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, y'all. And, oh, this is like a rose gold kind of packaging, or is it silver? Looks like it's like a rose gold kind of packaging, y'all. But I love, this is a really good brow gel, y'all. And I have actually tried the tinted one through them and through Ipsy, and I liked it a lot. But this is a really good size. This is gonna last me really well. So already this was definitely worth it for me, this too, because I like that. And the eye cream, I'm actually into that. Goat milk hand cream. I hate when they give me hand creams. I'm just not really like a hand cream kind of girl, like, so I'm gonna have to review that negatively so I don't get any more hand creams. And then lastly, y'all, I got a brush, which first of all, it's hot metallic pink, so that's already a win for me. And this is the, oops, this is the Shayna B Miami. It has some cute little flamingos. This brush is super duper cute. I don't know what brush this is for, but I would probably use it for my under eye. You can use it for highlight. This brush is really soft. I love it. Like this one a lot. So yeah, that's what I got, y'all, in our Ipsy bag for the month of March. So I have my Ipsy referral link down in the description box below. I need to fix all my links. I don't even know if it's a current link, y'all. I feel like it's one to my old account. And so someone had subscribed, used my link, and I didn't even get the points because it wasn't the right link. So I need to check and make sure that the link is right before I put this vlog up. But yeah, y'all, right now we're just about to go pick up our sushi, and just have a chill night. I'm probably gonna edit a video. I need to get some business done, work on my storefront, like just a couple little things y'all, like actually do. I need my lashes done so bad, but our appointment is on Tuesday. So yeah, I know she's gonna be like, girl, you do not have enough lashes for no field. Anyways, y'all, going to get our sushi. Probably checking with you guys maybe a little bit later on this evening if there's anything to talk about, y'all, but that's pretty much that. So yeah. All right, y'all, we just got out of the shower, doing a little bit of skincare. It's crazy, y'all, how into skincare I really have gotten. So yeah, I got my new little nightgown on. I'm obsessed, like literally. So I just got out the shower and I use this Dove Nourishing Rich Cream to lotion up my body. It's okay. It could be thicker, but gets the job done. And I'm just using some Witch Hazel toner on my face. I use my CeraVe cleanser. This container from Dollar Tree, and I like it because it's a good little travel container for any liquid. You can put acetone in it, whatever. You can put your little cotton pad on there. You know, my CeraVe, this is my go-to. I love this night cream. It feels so good on my skin. It's so thick, and yeah. Sorry, y'all, I had ran out of space, but yeah, really what I was saying was I really have noticed a difference in my skin ever since I've been getting really good with my skincare. So yeah, y'all, I'm very excited for my fill. A couple more days and we ain't gotta look like this no more. But I feel like our skin is flourishing and I'm getting better and more consistent. I absolutely love this nightgown, y'all. Like, I'm feeling this. So I got some sushi. I can't wait to eat it. I'm gonna show y'all. And I put on, I got, it's time of the month. I got a pimple right here and one right here. So I'm gonna put some Mighty Patches on there and see if it helps.
Yeah. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been.
My skin looks, feels so fresh, y'all. We're gonna take, honestly, these work. I used the one and I wore it to work, but I couldn't keep it on because I had the mask on, so it was kind of irritating. I had tried these before and it worked. I kept it on for like an hour, y'all, and the pimple was literally small. So I'm gonna try to keep this on all night.
But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt.
So I'll give y'all an update in the morning if they went away. But yeah, it's time of the month. It's almost over, y'all. And yeah, I'm excited for the week. So yeah, I got a lot of little stuff to do. About to do that. Eat my eat my sushi and find something to watch, y'all. Did y'all watch Power? How the fuck is Lauren still alive, y'all? Like, let's talk about it real quick, because do y'all think that she is the CI that old girl was talking about? Do y'all think she was talking about sex? What do y'all think is going on? Because I feel like Effie is not playing around. So why is Lauren not alive? Like, I mean, why is she still alive? What happened? Like, I don't know, y'all. I got a lot of questions and some theories have made sense. So what do y'all think happened, y'all? I really want to know because it's crazy. I'm already ready for next week. But yeah, y'all, that's that. I probably won't vlog anymore tonight. Just chilling. Gonna do some computer work and maybe watch some TV or whatever. So I will talk to you guys a little bit later.